Hi everyone! Today I'm making a sponge roll with light cream. It's very aromatic, delicate, and easy to make with simple ingredients. I add vegetable oil and flour to milk. Separate the yolks from the whites. Place the whites in a clean bowl and add the yolks to the mixture. Use a whisk to mix the yolks until smooth, as shown in the video. Beat the whites. The bowl and beaters should be dry and grease-free. Yolks contain fat, so it's important to avoid getting any yolk into the whites. Beat until soft peaks form. When the peaks become more voluminous and stiff, add the sugar in 3 stages, as well as vanilla sugar. Beat until stiff peaks form and the sugar is completely dissolved. Fine sugar is best. Take a look at how the peaks hold. Add 3 tablespoons of beaten whites to the mixture and stir until smooth. Do this very quickly so as not to deflate the whites. Add this mixture to the whites and gently stir until the color is uniform. Do this very quickly, lifting the mixture from the bottom up. Try not to stir for too long so that the dough does not fall down. Take a look at how fluffy and uniform the mass is. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and pour the batter. I will indicate the size of the pan under the video. You need to tap the baking sheet well to let the air bubbles out of the batter. If you do not do this, the bubbles will escape during baking and your roll will be cracked. Bake the roll in a preheated oven. Do not open the oven door during baking. I use a knife to loosen the sponge cake from the baking sheet around the perimeter. After 3 minutes, when the top layer no longer sticks to your hands, I cover it with parchment paper and flip it over, as shown in the video. I use a quick motion to remove the parchment paper. We need to get all of this crust off. I clean up the remaining bits with a knife, but you can leave it on, but then there will be a dark stripe in the cut, and I immediately flip the roll over, as shown in the video, and let it cool completely. The roll will sink slightly as it cools, which is normal, so don't be alarmed. While the roll is cooling, we prepare the cream. I whip the cream and sugar until stiff peaks form. I flip the cooled roll over and trim the edges, one of which needs to be cut at an angle, as shown in the video. I spread the cream on the roll and use a rolling pin to roll up the roll, as shown in the video. The most important step is rolling. This needs to be done very carefully so that the roll does not tear. I send the roll to the refrigerator for several hours. I hope my video will be useful for you. See you in new videos. Bye!